Hello, hello. Welcome to AI SEO Rankers. My name is Chevelle. Let's get to this. We'll start with some basic and move up in the next videos as far as writing long form, SEO optimized blog posts using ChatGPT. And then we'll get into some true prompt engineering and we'll start dabbling into the Python code and writing scripts and running those scripts. So today I want to show you custom prompt templates. I know a lot of these guys on YouTube are like, give me a list of LSI keywords for this right here, for that right there, or whatever it is. The best way to do it is by creating custom prompt templates. And you can use these templates to create social media posts, uh, uh, keyword generators. Even though I don't advise it, you can even create blog post uh, generating templates. I, I don't advise to do that, but it is possible. All right. And you'll see why I say that later. But here is the custom prompt template that it gave me. You can see already that it's better. It's going to be better than just saying, give me a list of LSI keywords. Okay. So I fed it back into ChatGPT. The exact prompt template it just gave me. Only thing I added was the SEO right here as the topic, okay? And let it run itself. So then it comes back, it gives me a brief description, it gives me core keyword identification, it gives me contextual analysis, it gives me common queries, it gives me synonyms and variations, related concepts and terms, phrases and long tail keywords, categorizes the keywords. Then it gives us a final list of comprehensive, supposedly keyword list. Can't force what ChatGPT does, you know. So now you have to outsmart it and tell it, okay, give me more. And that's exactly what it'll do. And you can tell it list more, and it's going to give you even more. All from one prompt template. Okay. And like I said, this can be done for just about anything. Social media marketing, uh, just about anything you can imagine. It can even be used to generate blog posts by just adding a title, and ChatGPT will generate the entire blog post. I advise against using it for generating blog posts, and you'll find out why. When writing blog posts, you should only allow ChatGPT to write one section at a time. Everything you're seeing on the internet, everybody's trying to rank in 22 minutes. I mean, come on, man. It's getting ridiculous out here, man. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys this, how you could use this to take your prompting to the next level and play with it. Tell ChatGPT to create me a prompt template that generates viral social media posts for any given topic. Remember, always say that at the end, for any given topic. That way, it creates the custom prompt template and it gives you the placeholders. So you can always add a unique topic. Okay? So that's the first thing I want to show you guys. And in the next video, we'll take it a deeper dive and go into this. And if you have any videos that you would like to see, let me know down in the comments and we'll get those videos out to you. To my Facebook group, anything you guys want to know, let me know in the group. I will make videos about it. This is my first video brainstorming. I just wanted to show you guys something that nobody else is really talking about on YouTube. So with that being said, my name is Chevelle, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.